Parrots are highly intelligent birds known for their vibrant plumage and ability to mimic sounds. Here are some key details about them. 1. Species diversity. Asterisk. There are over 393 species of parrots, belonging to the Psittaciformes order, including macaws, cockatoos, conures, and lovebirds. 2. Physical characteristics. Asterisk. Most parrots have a strong, curved beak, zygodactyl feet, 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, and a relatively large head. Vibrant plumage is common, serving both for camouflage and attracting mates. 3. Intelligence and behavior. Asterisk. Parrots are renowned for their high intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They are social birds, often forming strong bonds with their human caregivers or other birds. 4. Diet. Asterisk. Their diet typically includes fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetation. Some species also eat insects and small animals. 5. Communication and mimicry. Asterisk. Parrots are exceptional mimics, capable of imitating human speech and other sounds in their environment. Their ability to mimic is linked to their social nature and serves various purposes, including bonding and establishing territory. 6. Habitat. Asterisk. Parrots are found in various habitats, from rainforests to deserts. They are native to regions such as Central and South America, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Oceania. 7. Lifespan. Asterisk. Lifespan varies by species, but many parrots can live for several decades. Some larger species, like macaws and cockatoos, may live up to 80 years or more. 8. Social structure. Asterisk. Parrots often live in flocks, and their social structure is hierarchical. Communication within the flock is crucial for survival. 9. Reproduction. Asterisk. Parrots are generally monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds. They lay eggs in nests, and both parents usually participate in raising the chicks. 10. Conservation status. Asterisk. Some parrot species face threats due to habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and climate change. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect and preserve these charismatic birds. Remember, specific details may vary between parrot species, but these points provide a general overview of their characteristics and behavior.